If you own a Nespresso machine and use it regularly, cleaning it properly is just as important as choosing the right coffee capsules. Today I'm using the Caffenu Cleaning Pods designed specifically for Nespresso OriginalLine Machines. They're made to help remove coffee oils, residue, and odors that can build up over time. Let's see how easy they are to use. Simply insert the cleaning capsule into your machine just like a regular coffee pod and start the cleaning cycle. There's no complicated setup and no need to take the machine apart. As the water runs through, the cleaning solution works its way through the brewing chamber, helping to break down leftover coffee oils and residue that can affect both performance and taste. What I like about these pods is how convenient they are. The whole process is quick, straightforward, and fits easily into your regular machine maintenance routine. If you want to keep your Nespresso machine clean, fresh, and producing great tasting coffee, these cleaning pods are a simple and effective solution. Easy to use, mess-free, and definitely worth keeping on hand. A clean machine means better coffee, and this is one of the easiest ways I've found to keep it that way.